Hey guys, Nexus here. We're going to be doing MySQL now with PHP Basics tutorial. MySQL is basically stands for My Structured Query Languages. For that you need to make a database, so we're going to go into localhost. Go to this. Oh my god. My alias is PHPMyAdmin. This is where you go on your WAMP. Go to localhost / PHPMyAdmin, or you can go to localhost and click PHPMyAdmin aliases. But you go to find your database, which in this case it's PHP to it. I have one table called people, and we're just gonna, if you want to create a new table, type in people. I'm not gonna actually enter it, but I'll just go through it. Number of fields 3. Well, we'll go in the structure of it. It'll take you, how am I gonna do this? Test 3. But you name it people, or whatever you would like. ID, name, age, and ID is auto increment. It's every value, or every field that gets inserted into the database, it'll increment the ID by 1. You change it to, well, keep it at an integer. Probably only need one length, which is like digits like 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm just using this as an example, but that's four values, so you just need 1. That means it's just one single digit. It goes up to 1 through 9. Name, change that to variable character. I can include name or characters and numbers, but we only need that at about, put 20, just because some people have extremely long names. Age, integer 3. I don't know any people that lived up to be 1,000 years old, but save it. And I'm just gonna drop the table. I'm gonna drop the table. But yeah, and then you insert a value, insert whatever you want here, and whatever age you want there. It'll automatically put in ID, so you don't need to worry about it. And now we're gonna get to the code. PHP, opening it up. I'm defining a variable named connect. It's using the function MySQL connect. I'm using localhost, which is my username. Localhost is the host. Root is my username. My password is blank, and it's saying using the PHP function or die, and it's using the die message is MySQL error function, which will put out exactly what is wrong. What it's wrong, why it's not working, or whatever. And then I'm having an if statement. Basically it's saying if it cannot select the database PHP tut using connect, die, using MySQL error to tell us what's wrong. We'll close that. Now we need to query what is in the table. Now that we're connected, I named a variable named peopleinfo equals select all from, this stands for all, from the table people where ID equals 1. And if we look, this ID equals 1, so it's pulling everything from that row. Now this, the second variable, which I defined as peopleinfo2, MySQL, it's using the query function, and it's querying this MySQL right here. It's querying it, and then it will give us an or die if it doesn't work, with the MySQL error to tell us what's wrong. Now we're making a third variable, which is MySQL fetch array. It's fetching an array of this. basically, right there, of people info 2. Now, when we're using my fields in the table, we need to name that variable right here, the one where it's fetching the array. We name that variable right there, and then we put, okay, hang on, put it right here. Those kind of the square brackets or braces or whatever you want to call them, and then you just put single quotes in, because if you put double quotes, it'll throw out a parse error. Single quotes, and then the field name that you want to retrieve. So, we're echoing a break. We're printing people info 3. Then I'm printing the age, and then I'm gonna end the statement, and it will output this right here. My name, my age. There we go. That is it for the MySQL tutorial. I will see you guys next time with episode 10, which will probably be our last tutorial episode. Goodbye.